Good morning, students. I am taking the class of 7th Science, Chapter 1, Nutrition in Plants. First of all, what is the meaning of nutrition? Nutrition means the mode of taking food by the organism. Mode of taking food by the organism. It's a very simple thing. So, how many modes we have? We have two kinds of modes. Number one, autotrophic mode of nutrition. Number two, heterotrophic mode of nutrition. What is the mean of autotrophic mode of nutrition? Autotrophic mode of nutrition means if the plant make their own food by themselves, by self. That is called autotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition means plant make their food with the help of carbon dioxide, water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, and makes glucose and release oxygen. That is the also equation of photosynthesis. So plant make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Or these photosynthesis process in the equation form, carbon dioxide react with water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll and make glucose and release oxygen. So that is the autotrophic nutrition. Number two, heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition means those animals or organisms, they are unable to make their own food. So how can they make our own food? ना food बनाएंगे कैसे ये लोग? ये बनाएंगे with the help of another method of nutrition. Number one, saprophyte. Number two, parasite. Number three, symbiotic. Number four, insectivorous type of nutrition. So we have four kinds of heterotype nutrition: saprophytic or saprophyte, parasitic, symbiotic or insectivorous. So number one, saprophyte. Saprophyte means if the plant or organisms take the food by the dead or decaying materials. Dead or decaying material. Understood? Next one, parasite. Parasite means if the organism take the food by the other living one. For example, mosquito. You are the living one. And mosquito also a living one. If the one living one take the food by the another living one, that is called parasite. Saprophyte means one living one take the food by other dead or decaying material. Dead material. Saprophyte. Example, fungi or mushroom. Parasite means the food material taken by the other living things. Example, amarine. The next one, symbiotic. Symbiotic is a very simple thing. Symbiotic means it's a mutual association between two organisms. For example, one organism play the 50% part and second organism play the 50% part and mix together and make a 100% part. For example, algae have the capacity to make their own food because it's a plant category member. It has a chlorophyll. Algae have the capacity to make their own food. It has a food. And fungi absorb the water. So fungi provide water and algae provide food material. So algae also have a water and fungi also have a food material. So symbiotic nutrition means mutual association between two organisms. Example is a lichen. Lichen means algae and fungi mutual association. The next, insectivorous type of nutrition. Insectivorous type of nutrition means if the plant take the food material by the insects. Only some of the plants have the capacity to take their own food by the other insects. So insectivorous plants usually found in northeast areas. The example is pitcher plant or Venus fly trap. So that is a complete chapter. If you have any query, please tell me. Thank you.